Okay, so can you just tell us a bit about the earthquake and where you were when it happened?
Well, I was in Everest, a high base camp, and that was my second attempting to the top of the wall. And that was the 25th morning was the race day for us. And I had to got back down to the Gorakh, 3 hours walk down for my last lunch before I go for Camp 1. So yeah, this is how I escaped from my the hilly side camp, and I was survived. Yeah.
So you were really lucky then?
Yes, just like 10 minutes. It was there, like having a coffee. I don't be anymore. I mean, I could be somewhere. I could be died there.
Yeah.
If you see my camera tonight, you will see there how hardly they're hitting my camp, and my tents. And
so tell me about afterwards. What did you